Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and we got another Delco T400 to test. This comes out of another 69 GTO. This one comes from Lionel in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and Lionel's requested that the 8-Track be converted for use with a modern or reproduction radio using its using that radio's aux input. So that's what I've done. This tape opening door that was really badly rusted, so I just gave it a quick blast to make it look a little bit better. So, okay, let's go ahead and pop a tape in, make sure everything works. It'll be a quick test because when I convert an 8-track, then it uses the radio's much better new amplifiers instead of the 8-tracks. So these controls no longer work. That's all done at the radio now. All that remains on the 8-track that works is the track change button. So let's go ahead and pop in a tape. Oop, I gotta reset my receiver. I forgot to turn it down first. Alrighty, check both speakers. Got both speakers. Look at the end of a song there. Blank song there.
If you're feeling, if you're going, I know what you're doing.
Okay, that takes care of that. There's not much to test on a converted 8-track. Just make sure it plays through both sides at the right speed, and the program change button works. So that takes care of that. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio here. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, or you can call me directly at 928-533-9666. I do appreciate it if you go on my website and look at my work order first before calling me with a bunch of questions, because it just limits my time on the bench, and it can compromise the quality of my workmanship if I'm on the phone too much. So I do appreciate it when a customer does that research first, but if you need to call me directly for reasons of time or something like that, that's perfectly okay too. So thank you, Lionel, for your business all the way from New Mexico, and thank you guys for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.